Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to record your iPhone screen using the built-in screen recorder feature. First, we need to make sure the screen recording option is available in your control center. Here's how to do it. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Control Center. Look for screen recording under More Controls and tap the green plus button to add it. Now that we've added screen recording, let's start recording. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the control center. Tap the screen recording icon. It looks like a solid circle inside a larger circle. After a 3-second countdown, your recording will begin. While recording, you can navigate through your apps, play games, or even record a tutorial. Everything on your screen is captured. When you're done, just tap the red bar at the top of your screen and select Stop. Alternatively, you can swipe down to the control center and tap the screen recording icon again. Your recorded video is automatically saved to the Photos app. Open Photos and you'll find it right there, ready to watch, edit, or share. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.